Excel search box trick. Do you want to try this amazing search box trick in Excel? Select cell. Go to the Developer tab, click on Insert, choose Text Box. Draw text box as per your requirement. Right-click on the text box, select Properties. In linked cell type C2 and close the Properties window. Close the Design mode. In cell, type this formula. Equals filter. Select Data. Comma. Is number. Search. Linked cell C2. Comma. Select Employee column. Ampersand. Select second column. Repeat. Ampersand. Select next column. Close braces. Comma, double quotations. Close braces, press Enter. Go to the search bar and enter the data to be searched. The search bar trick is working.